So can you share with us some of those challenges and how did you mitigate the gaps or how did you face those challenges and then create the success for yourself?
Yeah, so the number one challenge was, the lack of a solid plan and I would say a roadmap. What are you going to do for next 2-3 years? So even though, I spent a lot of time in creating a roadmap, on a day-to-day basis, what I'm going to do, and also created a kind of a projections that, how the business will shape up in the coming years and months and quarters, started breaking up into, those chunks, manageable chunks, what I'm going to do the next quarter, what I'm going to do, the entire year. So that visibility, kept us in a discipline, kept me in a very focused mode. But again, when you start a business, as much as, I hate that, no matter how much you plan, things don't go as per your plan.